Hey Taylor-tots, welcome back to Justice is Served, and I have a surprise guest. I'm feeling thin, so...
Hi! What's going on? Drama. I'm here with...
She's like, I don't know her name. The one from RuPaul's Drag Race. What is it, Jinx?
I'm here with Jinx Monsoon.
You were there during that. Did you hear? Were you there the first day when RuPaul forgot Jinx's name?
No!
Girl, first day she goes, you know that, like you, that one. Where are you from again? No, she goes, what's your name again? She goes, Jinx? And she goes, that's right, Seattle.
Yeah. Oh my God.
So we wanted to go to Cold Stone Creamery. We wanted
Cold
something.
Stone Creamery?
He wanted to go to Menchie's, girl. She wanted to do Menchie's. I'm all about some Cold Stone. And I was like, girl, we're not going to negotiate on this one. You made me eat Menchie's and that service was terrible. Girl, that man's terrible.
Yeah, I remember that.
See, when sugar gets in front of his head, he doesn't have it much. You know, his sugar starts to drop. Or no, the sugar starts to go too high, and he has to get some sugar to offset it. So, Chime Philly. All right, we're gonna go in and get something to eat. So let's go. You're gonna walk in with us. We're gonna get something cute, something petite, like 4 scoops. Sorry about all that.
Oh my God, they
Excuse
knew
me.
we were filming. No, but they make all that noise. The car was going faster. I mean, it's a 4-cylinder.
Yeah, I know.
What do you expect?
They cut off the tailpipe.
Do we have one of these? Do we eat a cold one in California?
No.
Okay, let's see. What are we getting?
All right, girl. Do it. Yeah, this is all diet ice cream.
Plant-based.
Made with almond silk.
See, I feel like Elton, I think you would get that with peanut butter ice cream. Just like Reese's.
Okay, so obviously when it comes to ice cream, there's a lot of choices here, but what is your favorite ice cream?
Yeah.
Mine, I'm on the fence. I usually like to take strawberry ice cream and mix Butterfingers in it.
Yeah. I like chocolate, vanilla, like mint chocolate chips, stuff like that.
Mm.
But yeah, you know what? There's people like Rin Tin Tin, like that's how ice cream. You
What's
heard of
that?
You ever heard of Rin Tin Tin?
Mm-mm.
Tin Roof? You ever heard of that either?
I heard Tin Roof Rusted from that song that one time.
So put your favorite ice cream down below. We wanna know.
Yeah, girl. And what kind of toppings do you like?
And don't say tater-tot ice cream. That's so gross.
That one was good, the Cheesecake Fantasy. Chris, what is your favorite? In case y'all didn't see, listen to Chris.
Red velvet.
Hey! Elton. Show them the bag.
Nelson, what's your favorite ice cream?
Ooh, we're not going to talk about the brand. Don't talk about the brand. Don't do it. And it's not because I can, it's just because I just don't like it. No, I'm just kidding, I love the bag, girl. Ooh. As you can tell, it's pop, lock, and dropping in here, honey. The strawberry, look. They have giant chunks of strawberry inside.
Cold Stone Club.
So we ended up going to eat at Chewy's today, and something about Rich that a lot of you probably already know but don't know is he only eats grilled chicken and vegetables 9 times out of 10. So for this, he's going to get something, and he's probably going to have like one taste of it and be done. So the silk.
I wonder if they can mix chocolate and vanilla.
I'm sure they can. You're very looky crazy.
I don't want
crazy
to say,
girl.
Oh,
Crazy girl.
I don't want them to be like, oh, our ice cream machine's broke.
Girl, this ain't McDonald's.
I hate
That Reese's peanut butter cupcake is so good. 330 calories each bite.
That's actually not bad.
For a bite?
No, it's not a bite.
See, we're not over. We're not at Lenox Mall.
How's it go? The table.
It's broken.
Right, that's what it is.
We need to find that and put it in here. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to find it.
I think it's like, is it the table or is it something? The table? Yeah, I thought it was like.
So what do you do when children look at you? When they stare at you in line? That's what I was just doing, is making a face at a kid. I let it. He did this. Girl. Okay. we're gonna order and then we're gonna sit down and tell you what we got because obviously this line is a bit long and I don't want Chris's arms dying by the time we get finished. So we'll come back on here as soon as we get our fabulous ice cream. And of course, Rich is gonna have one bite.
Yeah, I'll taste it. Here we go.
One bite. Get the full experience. Showing out on this ice cream girl. She's making mine right here with a strawberry. So this is the one that I ended up getting, but add Reese cups. And I'm gonna get it on a cone that has the mix of time. The tightest spot in here, girl. But look, what'd you get?
Shut up! Don't come for me, leave me alone. Chocolate and vanilla, it's like mixed in with this little cookie crisp thing on the side. That's what I got. Okay.
And she got one scoop.
Yeah, one scoop. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh no.
What slaps harder, this or Menchie's?
Menchie's.
Girl, bye. Girl, bye. Okay, look. So mine. Okay.
You're just as
So
tall.
it's got strawberries. It has graham cracker. It also has a little whipped cream.
Hold on, we
in
got
it.
special effects. Special effects.
Okay. All right. And then I added Reese cups. So it is a waffle cone with peanuts on the outside. All right, here we go. Ooh. Very diet and healthy.
Okay. You want it?
Where I live. Yeah, go. All right, Chris.
All right, and I have the chocolate devotion, which is chocolate ice cream, chocolate chips, fudge brownie, and fudge.
Chocolate devotion?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Look, this is how you add special effects. Watch. Okay, I'll tell you what you get.
Chocolate, vanilla, more chocolate, and Reese's.
Yes, Reese's.
Let me show you add special effects, just like that.
Oh.
Alright, cool. So for this portion of the video, we're gonna try each other's food and, try each other's ice cream and then judge it. So we have extra spoons, so don't say we're using the same spoons, you are nasty, alright? Alright, so, like that.
I think you're gonna live. Oh no, you're making a mess. No, she says yeah.
Bro, that was good.
I know.
Okay.
So, I feel like yours is just vanilla and chocolate.
Yeah, but it's cold still.
Yeah, but like you said, Menchie's is better. Okay.
You didn't get enough chocolate. That doesn't
I'm not
matter.
a huge chocolate fan. They already know this about me. Yo, Rich doesn't watch any of my videos.
Oh my god.
And he didn't even know. He didn't even know that I love giraffes. Is this plant-based?
No. Maybe. Okay. Now try Chris's. What do you think? Alright, this is chocolate devotion.
Chocolate devotion. As it's getting more and more chocolate as I go.
It was good.
Oh, table! Oh no! Has that got brownies in it?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's too much chocolate, girl.
That's too much. Okay. Here we go.
You got the same thing as you.
No. You got cake batter, right?
Is that what you said? It usually does.
Yeah.
Girl. So, Rich, I know Minch's is your jam, but was this worth the 30-minute drive?
I'll let you answer that.
Yes.
It was for you?
Yes. Yeah, girl, it slaps. I'm all about it. I'm like, Minch's is cute, but like, again, like, there's a reason why it was on Undercover Boss.
No. Originally, he wanted Baskin Robbins. You said Baskin Robbins.
That's a lie. That's a lie. I said what I said.
Okay. I feel that this was a good place. However, we could have found another ice cream place in our area instead of coming all the way this way.
But-
So try something new.
But you wouldn't have seen that car with the door.
No, we're not doing that. No.
Okay, so on the way here, there was a car that its back door, passenger door, was like open.
No, you know
You
what?
got it? You're dropping all these nuts on my knee.
Let me show you. I have it right here. Let me show you.
You guys, look at this door. Oh my freaking god.
Again.
You guys,
Look at that. That's crazy.
Crazy.
That's crazy, man.
Crazy. Crazy, girl. I don't know about y'all, but we get like sucked down the rabbit hole of TikTok, and all we do is sit here and just like redo the quotes constantly. It is so ridiculous.
And there's so many that I forget the last one because there's many before.
Yep.
Many before,
Yep.
and I just forget them. They come and they go so
And then they
quick.
come out of nowhere.
Yeah.
Sometimes I'll just remember something like, oh.
Like,
But you know what that damn
if you
song?
ask me to remember one, I don't remember it. Like, there's that one song I got addicted to that you showed me.
Oh.
Remember?
No entiendo
Then there was
nada.
like Puerto Rican hair. There's like, stuff like there's so many and I just forget.
Have y'all heard the latest trend of yak meat
Yak
beauty
meat?
blenders? Yak meat beauty blenders. They go to Jeffree Star's ranch and they get yak meat, and then they use it to put on foundation on. Girl, it's the meatiest stuff you'll ever see in your life. However, I cannot. All right, we're gonna do an outro before we get out of here, girl. We're gonna eat so we can get it before it melts. He keeps throwing his nuts on my knees. I'm done. I can't right at this point. But all right, let's eat some ice cream because look, she got one scoop and it was almost finished, girl. And look at my soup right here. Look at it. Hang on.
I feel like it wasn't cold enough.
So you're saying it's not a
Why is it so
Cold
milk?
Stone creamery? Because
I
it
don't
was a
know.
Cold Stone and now it's cream.
Like it's
Marie.
It should be colder.
Okay, turn this shit off so we can eat. Girl, I'm so full. It's not even funny.
Yes.
Okay, so what the problem is being friends with him is that he takes a bite of something and makes you eat the rest of everything else. So I'm actually gaining weight to be a good friend. And
It was good. It was good.
it was so good.
Yeah.
It was so good. Now we're gonna talk about getting my knees done because see how much taller he's gotten. I mean, he's grown like a beanstalk over here.
I'm taller now.
Well, now that he's back from LA and coming back to the real world, you know, the real
La, la,
world.
la, yeah.
Yes, girl. He's gonna be doing his governor walk in a few malls, so make sure you stay tuned. You never know where it's gonna be. He'll do this down.
Wait, is that how you wave? Is there something we had to wave?
Yeah, girl, you're supposed to. It's wrist, wrist, elbow, elbow.
Wrist, elbow.
Yeah, you're supposed to Miss America.
I didn't know that. Wrist,
But we're
elbow,
Mr. America.
Mrs.
Yes, you already know where to
Large.
find him because most of you came from his channel anyway to support me, so I appreciate it. Y'all know him, he's rich and lit.
Yeah, and like this video. We're trying to get Justice monetized.
Yes, girl, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell to make all the notifications so you know when it's just going live, girl. Where can they find you? Oh, wait, hang on. Does it end with social media?
Yeah, there we go.
Everything.
Same name everywhere. Get out there and find Justice. Get out there and find me.
Rich Look 713,
And if
girl.
you haven't tried Cold Stone, try it. Pretty good.
It is yummy. All right, so I appreciate you coming in, giving me 5 minutes of your day. It was awesome. You've made me eat way too much today from all the fabulosity, but you know, it is what it is. All right, well, let's go buy some
Yak meat.
let's go get some yak. We're going to Walmart. Let's go. Bye, guys.